Welcome to Rheem Tech Tips. Rheem New Zealand Limited does not in any way endorse the installation or maintenance of Rheem products by an unlicensed practitioner. The work shown in this video is provided as a guide only. Full instruction manuals are available online from My Rheem Pro.
This time we're going to show how to diagnose faults which will display error code 11 on Rheem Series 2 gas continuous flow water heaters. Error code 11 results from the PCB not detecting a flame during the ignition sequence after 5 ignition attempts. This fault can be caused by no gas to the burner due to a poor gas supply pressure, faulty gas control valves, or PCB. An igniter or spark electrode problem will also result in error code 11, or it could be the burner is lighting but the PCB is not detecting the flame caused by a faulty flame rod or PCB problem. Because the error can be the result of several issues, the following tests and observations will help to identify the area of the fault and direct you to the relevant tech tips videos for further fault finding if required. With power on, gas supply on and water flowing, check to see if the burner lights at all, even momentarily. If it did light momentarily, the inlet gas valve is good and the igniter and spark electrode are good, but there's a flame detection fault. Check the condition of the flame rods and leads and replace any faulty item. If there is nothing visually obvious, follow Tech Tips number 11, which covers how to diagnose flame detection faults. If the burner doesn't light, check to see if the igniter is producing a spark. The spark is visible through the sight glass, which has been removed here so the camera can see. If no spark is seen, follow Tech Tips number 7 for help with igniter faults. If a spark was seen but the burner does not light, there's a problem preventing gas reaching the burner. Check the working gas pressure at the inlet test point to ensure there is not a regulator, meter or system pipe size issue. If the inlet pressure is good, connect the manometer to the burner test point and monitor the reading during the ignition sequence. The full sequence of checking working inlet and burner pressures is covered in Tech Tips number 2. If there's no gas during this time to the burner test point, the problem is with the inlet gas valve assembly or the PCB. Follow Tech Tips number 9, which covers how to diagnose inlet valve faults. If the gas pressure at the burner test point is correct during the ignition sequence, there may be a problem with one of the burner solenoid valves on the lower burner assembly, there are 3, or the PCB. Tech Tips number 10 covers how to diagnose this fault. Following a logical sequence for this fault will ensure the correct diagnosis to get the unit working again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, full product details, spare parts, installation and service manuals are all available through My Rheem Pro. Also, our nationwide service centre network can provide further product support if required. So just reach out to the team.